Hello everyone, I am Monalisha Padi. I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am a third year student of BBA LLB from Bharati Vidyapeeth New Law College, Pune. And today's topic is a brief overview on patents. The patent is one of the most common form of protection for inventions and the right associated thereto. The basic requirement to obtain a patent is to fulfill the threefold test of uniqueness, innovativeness, and industrial applicability. Simplicity, a patent can be regarded as a monopoly right which is conferred to a person who invents it. In turn, patent acts as an incentive for the inventors and go on to facilitate research and development in the varied field of work, especially in the field of science and technology. According to the Act, Section 3 and 4 provides for invention which are not patentable. There are as follows. First, an invention which is frivolous or which claims anything obviously contrary to well established natural laws. Second, an invention the primary or intended use of commercial exploitation of which could be contrary public order or morality or which causes serious prejudice to human, animal or plant life or health or to the environment. Third, the mere discovery of a scientific principle or formulation of an abstract theory or discovery of any living thing or non living thing substance occurring in nature. The mere discovery of a new form of a known substance which does not result in the enhancement of the known efficacy of the substance, or the mere discovery of any property or new use for a known substance, or for the mere use of a known process, machine, or apparatus, unless such known process result in a new product or employs at least one reactant. Fifth, a substance obtained by a mere admixture resulting only in the aggregation of the properties of the components thereof or a process for producing such substance. Sixth, a method of agriculture or horticulture. Seventh, a presentation of information. Eighth, topography of integrated circuits. 9. An invention which in effect is traditional knowledge. In effect is traditional knowledge or which is an aggregation of duplication of known properties of traditionally known components. And last, patent in respect of an inventions relating to atomic energy and falling with section 20 clause 1 of Atomic Energy Act 1962. So, penalties under the Patents Act 1970. Section 118 to 124 of the Patents Act 1970 deals with penalties. The primary reason for imposing penalties under the patent law is to safeguard and protect a patent from illegal exploitation and also preserve the interest of the patentee. Penalties under the Patent Act can be imposed in the following circumstances. Section 118 says contravention of secrecy provisions. Section 119 making of false entries in the register. Section 120 unauthorized claim to a patent right. Section 121 using the words patent office wrongfully. Section 122 any person refusing or failing to supply information. Section 123 practiced by non-registered patent agents. Section 124 an offence committed by companies. One of the landmark judgment on patent law is Monsanto Technology LLC and others versus Nujivedu Seeds Limited and others, Supreme Court 2019. The patented invention in the case relating to a DNA sequence called NAS, which when inserted to a plant cell provided insect tolerance to the plant. On appeal from the interim injunction of the single judge in an infringement suit, the division bench of the Delhi High Court decided the counter claim of the defendant for revocation summarily. Taking up the case on special leave, the Supreme Court held that a decision on revocation of a patent requires a trial and cannot be decided in a summary manner. It stated that the division bench should have confirmed its decision to the injunctive relief in question and remanded the case back to the single judge for a full trial in accordance with the law. That's all for the topic. Thank you, and please like and comment on the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.